Recording in progress.
And again, hello everybody. We are starting our course or our approach of communicating in English so that you can have opportunity to get knowledge and communicating in this language and extend your opportunities in finding new jobs on the Ukrainian market. English lesson, English skills, English speaking abilities, I believe is the most important to have for a QA engineer, and you need to polish it if you're not fluent in it yet. But this kind of sync-ups can help us to improve. Let me close all the windows. You don't need to see them, and find the window I wanted to show. It's the wrong test rail. Also, probably the wrong one. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we can start our sync up from the list we have from Andrei. Andrei, how are you?
Hi, thank you. I'm just great. I have my rehabilitation course now. Thank you for asking. And actually, I had missed a lot because I can see that there is like we have a library here, so. Everybody do something this period, but I didn't get the test trail because there was no access, as I remember.
Okay.
At this time. So
you didn't miss a lot. Honestly, we didn't have a lot of sync ups yet, but I'm trying to catch up and to improve this situation. We had maybe 2 more meetings apart from the one we had at the beginning, and this one the first one, I believe. So we didn't get a lot of progress on that, so you didn't miss a lot. Okay, Andrei, and you passed successfully the practice in the company, but the company didn't have the free slots for the new QA. So yeah, okay. So that's why you're back, and we are continue working with you. So from one side, it's good because we have one skillful guy on the project, and from another hand, it's bad because he didn't get a job. Anyway, you have already a task has been set. It's about the curriculum. You will be working together with Svetlana and Yulia Achimovich on that task. It's related to testing curriculum feature. I will send you a link so that you can go briefly to through the acceptance criteria of the task, and you will ask questions. Probably after this call, we organize another call with 4 of us and discuss in more details your questions. Let me know if you can see the history of the chat I added you for this curriculum testing. If you don't have the history so that you can see the link to those tasks, I will send you a task right now. Curriculum. This one, 107.
All right.
You just find this task and start working on it. Okay, moving forward. Olga, what's up? How are you?
Hello. I apologize for my English. It's not well, but I want to use this opportunity to improve my English.
Don't need to apologize. All of us not fluent, like not perfect in English. The main point of it is you must understand what we are talking about and can like create your own sentences, and that's it. That would be enough for this group, I believe. If you understand what I'm talking to you, that's fine.
Now I testing our website. I do test cases. I have question. I should testing our site as manager, as
Okay.
another user, or
Mhm.
only manager. I test a national organization page.
National
called.
organization. So you need to test both. You need to test organization as admin, and also you need to test the organization how it will be visible for the end users, for the people who attend in this the page of this organization. So you need to test both.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Cool. Thank you. Alina Sivakova.
Hi. I
Hello.
continue to create test cases and bug reports, and I plan to finish the test cases for creating a new schedule. And I have one question. I'm a little confused. What estimate should I make in the test case? Is this the time what I spend running test on all browsers and devices, or only
Just one.
Just one.
Just
yes?
one. Mhm.
Okay.
We don't know how many browsers you will be testing. So for each browser, you may create a separate test run. Depending on how many test run you created, the estimation will be multiplied.
I see. That's
Okay,
all.
so, okay, cool. Just a reminder, those who already finished the task, put it in the done status. And once it's done, I will start checking the test cases, the bug reports, and everything related to this task. Okay, cool. Thank you for the update. Marina Stira, Marina Gray.
Good evening. Yes, it's Marina Gray. Yes, Mary Gray. Yeah, I got stuck on the first step because I had to how to say test search bar. Yeah, but I went on a business trips and it was like one by one. That's why I just came. So I hope maybe by Friday I'll try to do my best. I'll try to write more bug reports and to test cases. Yeah.
Okay, let me know. So those tasks that I sent you at the beginning were just for training, for getting knowledge about the system. Right now, I'm starting to distribute the real tasks, like the tasks our developer working on, and you can conduct the real testing of the real features being developed right now.
Good. So will you schedule just some tasks on me, or how it works?
I will be asking for one person or several people for the particular task. We'll be sending this task in the chat, and you will raise the hand. If you wanna start testing, those who few people who raised hand first, I will join this task. I will join working on this task. And we already have 3 teams, separate teams, who are working on 3 features developed.
Good. Yeah. Thanks. Okay. Clear. I'll join.
Cool. Thank you. Yulia Achimovich. Okay. Yulia Shevlyak. The next. Achimovich will be there. Or.
Hello.
Hello.
I have registered 2 accounts in PayPal, and I have not tested it inside. But I have no question, and
Okay.
I know how I must do.
Okay, you know what you need to do, and you just need time to finish the work. Okay, I mentioned I sent the feedback from the developers. Those fields that you asked, or not you, I don't remember who exactly asked the question about the field title, secret key, and something else for the PayPal. It's needed for configuring the PayPal account for the organization, and then you will need for the end user just to enter email and password. So you asked this question in the chat, right?
It question right,
Another
Юлина.
Yulia, okay, because 2 Yulias in one team for the same task. Sorry for that. Yulia, okay, you can proceed with the PayPal discussion. It's good that you both of you are in the same group, English speaking group.
Yes, I little stop on this question about PayPal because I understand that you said me that this question that I asked it includes the like how we can get the money. Yes, I understand. But I create another account, another user in the on Fitofun, try to pay for some organization, and the form of registration would the same. So I have some questions about how to use PayPal. So maybe it will be separate meeting with Julia. It's like
okay. So it's good. It's good that you started working on it. Unfortunately, I'm not the guy who is proficient in using PayPal. I don't have my account in PayPal and never used it. So what I'm suggesting is to have a meeting separately with both of you, and maybe share knowledge between each other. If you don't have a solution after that, you can like ask me to help, because I'm not sure that I will be able to help right away. I need to ask developers. Just let me know your questions you need to find out before.
Maybe we can ask developers how to use this. So there is like some questions that always ask people, yes, how to register. And they will say how to do this, and we will do this test. Maybe we just didn't found this. Yes, no one should to say that it's a mistake because maybe I didn't found how to do this.
Julia said that she knows what to do and how to test. She just needs to have some time. Maybe or you already discussed with Julia, and both of you don't know what to do. You discussed. You already discussed, or you will be discussing?
No, we didn't discuss.
So you can
will be discussed.
Yeah. So how it goes in a real project, several QAs involved in some particular initiative have sync-ups together, trying to find solution, doing their best to find solution by themselves, and if they don't, they ask for help. So I'm trying to to have a real working environment, so that you started working on the project as it's your project, it's a real job, and trying to find solution in the internet, in the ChatGPT, in a collaboration with other students, maybe asking questions to students in a group that don't have relation with this particular task, but maybe have experience using PayPal, etc. And maybe you will get the answers you need. If you don't, you can ask me. I will try to help. And maybe in the future, maybe tomorrow, to have a call with the developer who developed this logic it's not the best thing to do, because those developer is not happy to have any calls. But if it's needed, I will do it.
So I propose that we discuss it with Julia. Then, if we will not resolve this question, we will prepare some questions that we need to do another and write to you.
Yeah, that's correct. Thank you very much. Thank you. And we are going to another Yulia Achimovich.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I continue to test create an events. It's my task, and I have one question: how to test the live section?
Live,
yes, live section. Because Fitofun asks for server and stream key. I don't know how to test it.
It's a good question. The same question sales manager asked me yesterday, and I didn't help him because I don't know. Okay. Just continue working on other features and other functions in the event. I will ask developer how this broadcasting work, because there are two ways to work with the live events. You can put a link from the YouTube, or you can create a broadcasting session on your own server, and you just need to put the link on your own server. I don't think that you have this server, and I don't think that you will be able to test it completely, this feature. Just skip for now. I will try to come up with the idea how to simulate this broadcasting in the future, but I don't know yet.
Okay, I've got it. Thank you.
Yeah, once you finish, just mention in the comment that you didn't test live events, and move the task into done status, and tell me that you're free, and I can assign another task to you.
Okay, I've got it.
Okay, thank you very much. Andrei, you raised a hand. Andrei? Okay, it was just by mistake. Any other questions? Anybody have questions? So it's hard.
It was my hand. It was my hand. No, something's wrong with connection. Can you hear me well?
Yeah, now I can hear you well.
Just if I can just add something to our girls about the PayPal issues. Is it okay to add something?
If you okay, just a second. I have to get this call. Hello. Sorry for the interruption. I have to go urgently, and Andrei, if you have opportunity to help you, any of you, if you have answers for any question, or you are willing to help, of course you can. We don't have a restriction for that.
Okay, no problem.
You have experience working with PayPal, configuring it, or what kind of experience you have?
With the getting paid. So it doesn't work like usual in Ukraine. Such platforms like UTest, for example, they use it works like Payoneer only. So
okay. In any case, I have to drop. And go to another meeting. You can schedule a call with 3 of you and discuss what kind of help you can provide and what kind of question they may have. Okay, thank you guys for your time, and I'm dropping right now because I have to go. Have a great day or evening. Bye bye.
Great one too. Bye.
Bye.